Good morning, children. Today we are starting the second chapter, chapter number 2, Polynomials. Chapter 2, Polynomials. You are so familiar with what is polynomial. In class 8, you studied about algebraic expressions. You studied the algebraic expressions. That algebraic expressions, just a continuation, we can say polynomial. You see, what is mean by a polynomial? We will go with some examples. You see, 3x. 3x means we can see this 3x, we can say it is a term. It is a term. A term consists of a variable as well as a constant. A variable as well as a constant. Constant we can say coefficient also. That means a term consists, suppose if a variable and a constant consisting of a term. A terms also, some terms, here you see it is only 3x, there is a single term. Next one you see here x square plus 1, there are two terms. Next one you see 2x square plus 2x plus 3, here are three terms. That means according to the number of terms, we are dividing the polynomial into different types. Suppose if there are only one term, we are calling it as a monomial. If there are only one single term, we are calling it as a monomial. If there are two terms, see here two terms are there, then we are calling it as a binomial. If two terms, it is a binomial. Here you see here are three terms, 2x square plus 4x plus 3, like that three terms. If three terms, we are calling it as a trinomial. Then four terms, tetranomial, pentanomial, etc., like that will go. Here we are coming back to what is a polynomial. A polynomial means if an algebraic expression having two or more than two terms. If an algebraic expression having two or more than two terms are calling as a polynomial. Here you see, then that case we can say binomial onwards. All the expressions we can call it as a polynomial. Two or more than two terms, that we are calling as a polynomial. Like that binomial is also we can call as a polynomial. Trinomial also we can call it as a polynomial. If four terms are there, five terms are there, whatever may be the number of terms, all that we are calling together as polynomial. Generally we calling it as a polynomial. Poly means many. Many terms. That is the meaning of polynomial. You see, in polynomial we are studying the different items like what is a variable, what is the coefficients, what is the degree of a polynomial. These three terms we are studying now. Already you studied in class 8 and class 7. What is a variable? Variable is what? In an algebraic expression, when we are writing the alphabetical numbers, say A, B, C or X, Y, Z or P, Q, R or M, N, like that algebraic alphabetic numbers we are calling or we are denoting as variables. It can vary, its value will change always. That is why we are calling it as variable. Next one, coefficients, our numerals like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that what we are writing along with the algebraic expression, that we are calling as coefficients. Coefficients or constants. You see here, 1 we can say a constant or coefficient. Here we can say 3 is a constant or coefficient. 2 is a coefficient. Here 4 is a coefficient. Here 3 is a coefficient. What is the coefficient here? Suppose here only x cube, then coefficient we can say it is 1. Like that coefficient. This variable and coefficient, these two terms already you have been studied in class 8. Now we are coming to the third term, that is degree of a polynomial. What is meant by degree of a polynomial? Here you see, for example, we written a polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Here we can say the exponents for the variables. Here x cube, here x square, here x power is 1, here it is 0. Like that in a polynomial, which is the greatest power of its variable. The greatest or highest power of its variable, we are calling it as the degree of the polynomial. The greatest power of the variable. For example, in this polynomial, say x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Here what will be the degree of the polynomial? Here the greatest power is coming as 3. Greatest power is coming as 3. That is why degree of this polynomial is equal to 3. Degree of this polynomial is equal to 3. Now, see in our exercise 1, in textbook you can see the exercise number 1. That questions, just you read it and easily can understand. There is nothing to do with that. Before going to the questions, my request you have to go through the introduction part also of the chapter. Then you will get more idea about the chapter. Now we are coming to the exercise. That is question number 2. You listen. Question is calculate or find out the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square of the given polynomials. You see the question number 1. Polynomial is given as 2 plus x square plus x. Question is what? Find out the coefficient of x square. Here what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Because here there is no other numbers given as the constant. That is why coefficient will be 1. Question number 3. See, pi by 2x square plus x. Then what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is coming as pi divided by 2. Pi divided by 2. Fourth question, root 2x minus 1. Root 2x minus 1. Here you see question is coefficient of x square. We must find out the coefficient of x square. But actually in the polynomial there is no x square term. There is not mentioned any x square term. Question is root 2x minus 1. That means coefficient of x square will be equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Listen. Write the degree of the polynomial. We have to write the degree of the given polynomials. You see the first question. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. What is meant by degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the variable. Here in this question, we must find out the highest power of the variable, that is x. Here what is the highest power of x? It is x cube. X cube is coming the highest. That means degree of the polynomial will be equal to 3. Degree of the polynomial equal to 3. Question number 2. 4 minus y square. Here what is the degree? Here the variable is y, not x. It is the variable y. Then highest power of y. What is the highest power of y? It is 2. That means degree of the polynomial is equal to 2. Next question. 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. Here the variable is t. Variable is t. Then what is the power? Here power actually it is not mentioned. If 1 is there, there is no need of mentioning 1. That is why 1 is not mentioning. That is why degree of this polynomial is equal to 1. Next question, 3. 3 also polynomial we can write because 3 there is no variable but the constant is given. Then such a polynomial is given, the degree is equal to 0. Degree is equal to 0. Next, we are going to explain what is mean by zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial means the value of its variable. Value of the variable we are calling it as zeros of the polynomial, or another word we are using roots of the polynomial. But in your book it is used zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial means what? The value of its variables. See the question, exercise 2.2. First question is find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then what will be the value of the given polynomial? You see, let p of x. P of x means a polynomial with a variable x. That is the meaning of p of x. A polynomial with a variable x. P of x equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. The given polynomial we are taking as p of x. Then we have to calculate the value of polynomial when x equal to 0. That is why p of 0. P of 0 means what? Wherever the variables are coming, there we substitute the value as 0. That means 5x, that is 5 into 0, minus 4 into x square, minus 4 into 0 square, plus 3. 5 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into 0 square, again 0, plus 3. Then value of the polynomial is coming is equal to 3. Second question, if x equal to minus 1, what will be the value of the polynomial? You see, p of x we taken again 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Then P of minus 1, a given value of x, we are going to substitute P of minus 1. Instead of x everywhere, we are substituting minus 1. See 5x, 5 into minus 1, minus 4 into minus 1 whole square, plus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, that is minus 4 into 1, plus 3. Minus 5, minus 4, plus 3, that is minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. The next question, question number 2. See, find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the polynomials given below. See, P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 we need to calculate. See, first question. P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. One polynomial is given in term of y. P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. Then first we are going to calculate the value of P of 0. P of 0, that is y square, that is instead of y we are going to substitute 0. 0 square minus 0 plus 1, answer is equal to 1. P of 1, 1 square minus instead of y we substitute the given value here. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 again 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So P of 2, that means y square, that means 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square means 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Next question, question number 4. Listen. P of x is given, polynomial is given as x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. Then P of 0. 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Then P of 1, that is 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 into 2 is 0. P of 2, 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 into 3 equal to 3. Now we are coming to question number 3. What is the question? Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Some values of the variable is indicated against the polynomial, then that values are zeros of the polynomial or not. We have to check or verify. See, in that exercise around in that question number 3, around 8 questions are there. Here we have shown 4 questions, different 4 questions, different type of question. Then you will understand. The remaining question you can practice yourself. You see, first question, polynomial is given p of x equal to 3x plus 1. And the value of the variable indicated against it is x equal to minus 1 by 3. The question is, we check or we verify whether x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial. You see, this given value of the variable we are writing here p of minus 1 by 3. P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to, we substitute it. 3 into, instead of x we are writing minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. This 3 and 3 we can cancel it. Then remaining minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. P of minus 1 by 3 value we got is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the polynomial. If after calculating the given value indicated against it, if coming equal to 0, then we can verify that it is the zero of the given polynomial. Now see, coming to the question number 2. P of x equal to 5x minus pi. P of x equal to 5x minus pi. X equal to 4 divided by 5. 4 by 5. See, P of 4 by 5 we calculated. 5 into 4 by 5. Instead of x is substituted 4 by 5 minus pi. This 5 and 5 will cancel, then 4 will be remaining minus value of pi. Numerical value of pi we written as 22 divided by 7. Now we are calculating by using the LCM. 7 is LCM. Then here it will be 28 minus 22. That equal to 6 by 7. 6 divided by 7. It clearly not equal to 0. 6 by 7 not equal to 0. That means it is not equal to 0. That's why we can say x equal to 4 by 5 is not a zero of the polynomial. Question number 4. Listen. P of x equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Two values of variable is given. Two values of the x given, that is minus 1 and 2. We check or we verify whether x equal to minus 1 is a 0 and x equal to 2 also a 0 or not. See, first we are checking with the minus 1. P of minus 1 equal to, instead of x we write minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 0 into minus 3 is equal to 0. We are getting P of minus 1 equal to 0. The next value P of 2, x equal to 2 also given. P of 2 equal to 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. That means both the values, when we substitute both the value of the variable, it is getting us equal to 0. That means we can say x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2 are zeros of the polynomial. Both the given values are zeros of the polynomial. Coming to the question number 6, listen. P of x is given as Lx plus m. Here actually 3 alphabets are given, such as L, X and M. But actually X is there. We have to consider as X only as our variable. Balance L and M are coefficients. Now see X equal to minus M by L it is given. Now see P of minus M by L equal to L into, instead of X we are writing minus M by L plus M. See L and L cancel. Now remaining minus M plus M. Minus M plus M equal to 0. That's why we can say x equal to minus M by L is a 0 of the polynomial. Now fourth question, we are going to study find the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial is given, we calculate the 0 or the root of the polynomial, or we are telling what is value of the variable. See, first question, P of x equal x plus 5. Then how to calculate the value of its variable? That means the 0 of the polynomial. See, let x plus 5, this polynomial, given polynomial, we take it as equal to 0. X plus 5 equal to 0. Then from this, we calculate the value of x. That is x equal to 0 plus 5 when we transpose to the right side, it will become minus 5. That is x equal to 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. See, we got the value of the variable. That is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, 0 is equal to minus 5. Next question, P of x equal to 2x plus 5. What we will do? We take again, let 2x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Again from this equation, we calculate the value of x. That is 2x equal to 0 plus 5 we are transposing to the right side, it will become minus 5. 2x equal to minus 5. Then x equal to, this 2 is multiplied here, then we take the right side, it will be divided. That is minus 5 by 2. Therefore, 0 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Next question, P of x equal to 3x. Then let 3x be taken equal to 0. 3x equal to 0. Then x equal to 0 divided by 3. Because 3 is multiplied here. When we transpose, it will be divided. 0 divided by 3 equal to 0. Therefore, 0 of the polynomial is equal to 0 itself. Question number 7. See, P of x equals cx plus d. Here it is conditions given. C not equal to 0. C and d are real numbers. C and d are real numbers means x is the variable of this polynomial. C and d are real numbers, that is the coefficients, and x is the variable. See, let cx plus d equal to 0. Then cx, this plus d when we transpose to the right side, it will become minus d. That is 0 minus d is equal to minus d. Then x equal to, c is multiplied here. Then we take to the right side, it will become divided. X equal to minus d by c. We got the value of x, that is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, 0 equal to minus d by c.